Mary, when when the economy died several years ago, my wife and I lost a ton of money in the stock
As
market.
a lot of people
But now
did.
Dow Jones, Nasdaq they're both trading at all-time highs.
Great highs.
So a lot of people are thinking about getting back into investing. So Emmy Hernandez is here with us today, financial expert, and you're going to give us some hints and tips on better and smarter investing. Welcome to the show.
Welcome.
Thank you.
And
Thank
roll
you.
the dice. Please be part of the game.
Before you can talk about investing,
Well, relax.
I have
gotta
to roll
talk
the
about-
dice.
You
So
have
this
to
is
roll the
this
dice.
is how we get the good insider tips, right? Roll the dice,
Sure.
and we
It's
hear
supposed to be
some
me.
tips.
So let's see if I can kill any monster. Oh, look like I can get some net. I don't know. Well, it's not gonna kill yet, but I get to move some. That's good.
So Emmy,
All
tell us what are some of the great tips that you're giving some of your clients?
and hopefully it's not rolling the dice on investments.
Definitely
Right,
not.
right. No, we're going to be stable with.
Well, actually, you know, to be a good investor, you want to just maximize your gain, right, and minimize your loss. Sound easy, right? But in a real life, it's not that simple. And there's really no foolproof investment strategies. However, there's some basic principle that good investors should be aware of. For example, one of them is try to take advantage of long-term compounding. Now,
Explain compound interest.
And I'm trying to
Speak
tell
to
my
us
children
like,
that too.
Exactly.
As I'm giving them
Speak
an
to
investment,
us like we're
they want
children.
to, right.
yeah, sure. Compounding occurs when you invest money, you put money in, and they're starting to have some earning, and you want to make sure that the earnings go back into the account and start earning even more. So keep
The
compounding.
interest on top of the interest
Correct.
that you've already
Right.
earned.
And you want to take advantage of long-term goal, long-term focus. So that way, the longer time you have, the more compounding can work for you.
I want to know, this is a general question, are you encouraging us to get back in the equities market, or are you discouraging us? Are you a bull or a bear?
I'm not a bull or a bear, but you must know that before you even get back to equity market, you need to know your own financial goals, objective that you have, how aggressive, how conservative you want to be. So one thing you need to know also, you have to make sure that you know your liquidity needs, how soon you're going to need that money, right?
Whether you have to get it right away, or whether it can sit someplace like in a CD, for instance, a year that you can't touch it.
Right.
So what if a young person had $1,000 to invest? How would you strategize that with them?
It's college age.
Sure.
Okay. First, if they college age, first thing you need to know, how soon are you going to need this money? If this $1,000 for this person going to be something that, well, I'm not going to need it for another 5 years, not for my tuition.
Right.
Then you can probably perhaps go back into the market and starting to invest and looking for long term, and also invest regularly. Like dollar cost averaging, because you doesn't have to worry about market go up or down.
You're using a lot of terms, dollar cost averaging. Can you quickly explain what that is?
Sure. Dollar cost averaging means you invest regularly and at the same specific dollar amount over time, like monthly.
$50
annually.
a month into the same mutual fund or equity.
Even 25. Emmy, thank you so much for being here. I really
Sure.
appreciate your tips.
No
and why don't you
problem.
roll the dice one more time?
Okay.
We'll all roll together. How's that?
Okay,
Right.
We're a
there you
team.
All right.
Okay,
And
there we
I
go.
got here 15 now.
As we
I don't
play
know.
the game, we're going to let you go again. Local real estate agents beautify Pasadena organization.
Exactly. And then next we'll also have Chef Sanchez on, and we'll hear a little bit more about Lee Cuellar and what Red Day is next.